I love my camera. This one. I mean, I like cameras in general, but this one in particular has been with me for 4 years. Since I got it when I was in Bristol. I mean, of course it's not perfect. I mean, I'm not that much of a fan of the autofocus, but I like the fact that the microphones are in front and that they produce audio in good quality, and I just like how it feels and how it looks when I hold it. It's not too heavy, it's not too light. I like the wide angle that it has going on, so it's perfect for vlogging even if I don't see myself, because I know what the camera sees if I see the lens. But that already brings me to the point. Seeing the lens. That's the camera, right? And then you have a look inside the lens. When I see the lens, I see dirt. And that's not good, because if I can see the dirt, you can see the dirt. And that's one thing that has been annoying me for over a year, that there is dirt inside the lens. It's not outside, I can't just get it away, it's inside. Somehow it managed to get in there. I mean, I've been using this camera every day for 4 years, and I've been vlogging while it snows, while it rains. I've been doing quick things with my pocket. I mean, I wasn't taking particular care of my camera, so it makes sense that the dirt gets inside the lens. But today we're gonna try and get it out, because I want to save my camera, because the alternative is to get a new one. But since I really like this one, I want to at least try and fix it. Now, in most cases it's just fine. You don't really see a lot of the dirt or no dirt at all like this if I vlog with the light coming from behind the camera. That's fine. But as soon as I start vlogging in the light, and light shines on the lens, then it's getting, you know, not so nice anymore. Especially if I then also film something dark like this. Here you see all the dirt. Look at how much shit is on my camera. If I just want to, you know, show you the snow here. That's like, I mean, the snow is bright enough so that you don't really see it. And if I film like the sky, is fine as well, because the sky is bright enough that it just takes over. But if I film something dark in a light environment where there is light shining on my camera, then it's just it's ugly. And whenever I'm editing my videos, I'm like, oh, I need to somehow get this shit out of my camera. And so that is what I'm gonna try and do today. There is some dirt on the outermost layer, but there's also some dirt further in. I'm gonna try and get it all off. Now there are several ways how I could try and get the dirt off my lens. One of which is, of course, to just clean it like this. Then I saw another one where you basically drill a hole in your camera on one side and on the other side. And I try to avoid that for now. I mean, if it doesn't work at all, then I might think about it, but I'll try if it works without. And the way I'm gonna try and get all the shit out of my camera is by using a vacuum cleaner. Okay, so I'm chilling in the sun. I'm gonna put you here, where you see a lot of dirt. And now I will use this thing to get the dirt out of my lens, ideally, maybe. Let's start slow. Just very, very carefully, putting my fingers here. Here it comes. And as you can see by this wonderfully unfocused picture, there's still a lot of dirt inside my lens. Like a lot of dirt inside my lens. So, you know, that wasn't sufficient. Let's try it again. That's the autofocus I was talking about. It's just a great autofocus. I mean, I love that. That's the one thing that I really love about my camera. Not. Okay, continue. Maybe a bit stronger. Ha ha. Nope. Nope. Just this dirt just doesn't want. I mean, it already looks a lot cleaner, like a lot cleaner. The outermost layer is now completely clean, so it looks better. It looks a lot better. I will show you. Yeah, already looks a lot cleaner, but you still see that there is still some stuff inside. So the thing I think we will have to do is do this. There you go. Because when it's stretched like this, I think it's easier to get inside here. I mean, here is already a lot of dirt as well. No wonder that the dirt gets inside if this thing here is dirty. Uh-huh. Well, how do I put this? I'm not making it better, I'm making it worse. Ouch. Well, ouch, look at that. Apparently from a layer further back I got a big one, like super big hair in there. Now, that is gonna be annoying. Holy shit. Let's see. Yep, well, another straight stripe that you can see now, because there's a freaking big hair in you. Ah, no, I'm just making it worse. We just have to keep going. Yeah, I have to keep going now. Now there's no going back. There is no going back. I'll get that hair out. Full power! Ta 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 ta! Okay. I don't want to end it with this because now I don't want to use my camera anymore. Now I'm like pissed that I just made it worse. But I don't want to give up, but I don't know what to do. I don't want to drill holes in my camera. Okay. Since when sucking out the air it doesn't move, I now want to move it first away from here, such that then later I can get it out again with the same sucking technique. But first, I need to push. This is just not working. How could I possibly do this? Alright, so today is the day where I fix or break this camera. Fix it or break it, that's what they say, right? I'm not sure if I can get this off. I tried it, but I didn't try it with a lot of force, so we're gonna just try it with a bit more force. It won't go off. I'll just break it if I push harder. Oh! Well, that didn't sound good. That didn't sound good at all, but I can now do this. Ow! Did you hear that? Ow! That hurts my nerve. Ow! Do you remember how I started this video by saying I love this camera? Yeah, I remember. I remember. No, what did I do to you? I'm so sorry! No! Yep, I broke something. Something is loose inside now. Well, that was not smart. Not smart at all. Should I? I think I broke the autofocus. I can zoom through the layers of dirt, but it will just not focus anymore at all. That's how you see the world now. Now that I broke you. You're also not looking straight at me anymore. Yep, I broke my camera. Well, and that's how not to clean the lens of your camera. Don't do that like I just did, because then you need to buy a new camera. I mean, it's time for me to buy a new camera anyway, but you know, would have liked to have this as a backup camera, whereas now it's just broken. I'm sorry, I'm so sorry, camera. We had a great time together, but lens error. How could I do that? Why did I not just drill in there like a... That would have been a better strategy. I mean, the autofocus was bad before and now it's just non-existent. Not even a manual focus is existent anymore, it's just broken. Well, there's only one thing left to do now. Buy a new camera. Make your backup. No, this is such a sad story. I wanted this to be a good story where I fix my camera, but no, freaking break it. Purposefully didn't leave it there straight, so there you go.